There's nothing that says we can't turn right. Oh my god, building's missing. I don't even know if I'm allowed down here, but we're taking the risk. Making my way downtown, riding slow. What a bitch. Posh Audi as well. Think they own everything, man. Please don't move, please don't squish me! Ooh! GTR! Hell yeah! What you looking at? You can do it! Let's be a cheeky bugger. You're supposed to look right. You look alright, you don't die. Alrighty then. I like how you try. I like a trier. Whoop, pigeon. Oh. Wait until you fully stop and then say, okay, go. You can go now. Oh, there's that GTR. That, my friends, is how an MT-07 beats a GTR. Easy, Dunham, pink slips, it's my car now. Oh man, traffic everywhere. I must kill him on fuel. Right. I thought he was going to go on the path and go around there. What the f is this guy doing? What the f is this guy doing? I've heard of filtering, but taking up the other side of the road is a different story, man. So much has changed around town since I've been. But Dickinson's looks awesome though. Oh, look at this guy. This guy's on his hands free, yo. Hands free. You know what's the point in putting it on speaker if you're just gonna like you sit there and hold it? Not saying putting it on speakers any better. But that's two today so far. What's he doing? He's pretty holding them traffic. I don't get why he was just like sat there slowing and slowing and slowing and slowing. Like, what are you doing?